The rebirth of arts and crafts as a popular hobby coincides with a surge in those transforming this passion into lucrative side hustles. This resurgence is not just about making money, it's deeply intertwined with personal satisfaction and the joy of creativity. As more people seek original, handcrafted items over mass-produced alternatives, the market for these unique creations grows. Artists and artisans find themselves at the heart of a flourishing industry where their hobbies offer both economic benefits and a profound sense of personal fulfillment, catering to an audience that values originality and craft. In the digital age, artisans have a plethora of platforms to showcase and sell their crafts. Popular platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade provide tailored spaces where creators can connect with enthusiasts looking for unique, handmade products. However, the success on these platforms isn't just about listing products. It's about mastering the art of presentation. High-quality photographs capture the intricate details of the crafts, while compelling, thorough descriptions convey the story and craftsmanship involved. Additionally, setting the right price is crucial, balancing competitiveness with the value of the artisan's time and skill. Hosting arts and crafts workshops not only offers a unique avenue for income, but also serves as a platform for community building and networking. By sharing their skills, artisans foster a learning environment and connect with like-minded individuals, strengthening the creative community. The advent of online teaching platforms like Zoom and Skillshare has broadened the reach, allowing artists to conduct classes from anywhere in the world. These opportunities not only enhance personal connections, but also empower a community of learners and creators, providing a supportive network that furthers both artistic and entrepreneurial endeavors. The custom artwork sector thrives on the unique, personal touch it offers, catering to demands for items like personal portraits, wedding invitations, and tailor-made gifts. As artists navigate this niche market, the role of social media and personal websites becomes pivotal in promotion. Utilizing these digital platforms allows artists to showcase their portfolios and gather client testimonials, which are crucial for building trust and attracting new customers. By effectively displaying their previous work and the positive feedback received, artists not only enhance their visibility, but also establish credibility in a competitive market. Growing an arts and crafts business involves strategic expansions and operational efficiencies. One effective method is outsourcing tasks that are time-consuming or outside one's expertise, allowing artists to focus on creative processes. Participating in craft fairs not only increases visibility, but also opens up networking opportunities. An optimized online presence through a well-designed website and active social media engagement helps reach a broader audience. Additionally, expanding product lines to include new, innovative items can meet diverse customer needs. Importantly, prioritizing customer satisfaction and actively seeking feedback ensures the business stays relevant and responsive to consumer desires.